everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive.
Yes, welcome back.
This time, we're going to be diving into a topic that's really kind of blowing up the crypto world right now.
It really is.
AI agents.
Uh-huh.
So whether you're already deep into DeFi
Right.
or you're just starting to learn about blockchain and all this kind of stuff,
Yeah.
this deep dive is going to be perfect for you because we are going to be breaking down exactly how AI is going to change your crypto game.
Absolutely. And we'll give you some actionable insights
Yeah,
that you can use right away.
for sure.
Yeah, we're going to be looking at an article from Binance Academy
Okay.
called What Are AI Agents?
Very appropriate.
Yeah. And it's a great primer on how AI is changing things up.
Uh-huh.
Like supercharging DeFi tools,
Ooh.
generating AI art.
Okay, you had me at supercharging DeFi tools.
Okay.
So let's just get right into it.
Yeah.
What are AI agents?
Yeah.
Are we talking like Westworld here?
Well, not quite science fiction anymore.
Oh.
Think about this. A program that can not only analyze massive amounts of data,
Right.
but can also learn from its experiences,
Okay.
make decisions,
Right.
and then take action, all without human supervision.
So more than just a bot following instructions.
Way more.
Okay.
The game changer here is machine learning.
Okay.
AI agents can adapt and evolve as they interact with their environment.
So it's not just a static set of instructions. It's learning as it goes.
Exactly.
Okay, so give me an example. Like, how would I see this in action?
Okay, so imagine an AI agent that manages your crypto portfolio,
Okay.
and it's making lightning-fast trades based on real-time market data.
Wow.
Or picture an AI agent that acts as a 247 customer service rep,
Okay.
instantly resolving any issues that users might have.
That sounds pretty revolutionary.
Yeah, it is.
No more waiting on hold for like 2 hours to talk to somebody.
Yep.
That would be fantastic.
Yeah.
So I can already see how this is going to make crypto more efficient and more accessible like the article was talking about.
Absolutely.
But let's back up a little bit.
Yep.
How do these AI agents actually work?
So it all boils down to three core pillars:
Okay.
observation, processing, and action.
Break it down for me.
All right, so first they observe their environment.
Okay.
So they're soaking up data like market prices or your inputs or blockchain transactions.
Uh-huh.
And next, they process that data using really complex algorithms and machine learning
Okay.
to figure out the best move to make.
Okay.
And finally, they execute that move,
Okay.
whether it's buying crypto or sending a notification or generating a digital asset.
Okay. I'm following along so far.
Right.
But how do we actually interact with these AI agents?
Right.
Do we need to learn some kind of like crazy new language?
No, not at all.
Okay.
That's where natural language processing comes in.
Okay. NLP.
Yeah, NLP, exactly.
Okay.
And thanks to powerful tools like GPT-4,
Yeah.
AI agents can understand and respond to our questions in a way that makes sense.
So we're talking AI that can actually hold a conversation.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
No more clunky bots give you canned responses.
That's huge.
Yeah, it is a big deal.
Especially for making blockchain technology less scary for people who are just getting started.
Yeah, absolutely.
Imagine just asking an AI agent,
Right.
hey, can you walk me through setting up a crypto wallet?
Yeah,
Or can you explain how this DeFi protocol works?
exactly. And in plain English.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
That's a game changer right there.
it is.
And speaking of game changers, the article mentions some really interesting ways that AI agents are already making waves in the crypto space.
Yes,
Especially in DeFi.
especially in DeFi.
I mean, DeFi can feel like the Wild West out there.
It can.
Lots of opportunity, but lots of risk.
Definitely.
So how is AI going to help us there?
Well, that's where AI agents can really shine.
Okay.
They can handle complex tasks like managing trades or optimizing yields and assessing risk with incredible speed and accuracy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Much better than we can.
Yeah, exactly.
As humans.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, so it's kind of like having a personal DeFi assistant,
okay.
helping you navigate this complex landscape.
I like that.
Yeah.
So, for example,
Yeah.
let's say I'm really interested in yield farming,
Right.
but it's so overwhelming keeping track of all the different protocols and strategies and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Can an AI agent just do that for me?
They can. An AI-powered yield optimizer could do all the heavy lifting for you,
Okay.
automatically moving your funds between protocols to maximize your returns
Okay.
while minimizing your risk.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah.
Sign me up.
I know, right? But what about the risks?
Yeah.
We've all heard those horror stories about, DeFi hacks and rug pulls and all that kind of stuff.
Right.
Can AI agents protect us from that?
They can definitely play a part.
Okay.
So imagine an AI agent that continuously monitors your DeFi portfolio,
not just for price fluctuations,
Uh-huh.
but also for vulnerabilities in the underlying smart contracts.
Oh, so it's going like a step deeper.
Exactly.
Okay.
And that kind of vigilance can help you avoid rug pulls
Okay.
and other scams.
That's a huge relief.
Yeah,
So I feel like every week there's a new thing to worry about in DeFi.
there is.
So it's good to know that AI can be kind of like an ally
Absolutely.
in this whole crazy world.
Yeah.
But it's not just about DeFi, right?
No.
The article also mentioned AI-generated art and NFTs,
Right.
which kind of blows my mind.
That's a whole other level.
Yeah, so tell me more about that.
Okay, so AI is opening up a whole new world of creativity
Okay.
in the art and NFT space.
Uh-huh.
Like imagine owning an NFT
Okay.
that's not just a static image,
Yeah.
but one that actually evolves and changes its personality based on how you interact with it.
So it's like a living piece of art almost.
It is. It's like having a piece of art that's alive.
That's incredible. Are there any like real-world examples of this right now?
Yeah, there's a project called Alethea AI
Okay.
that's creating these interactive AI characters called INFTs.
My NFTs.
Yeah, and these INFTs can learn and adapt to their environment
Wow.
and even hold conversations with their owners.
So it's like having a digital companion.
It is. It's like having a digital companion that's unique to you.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
That's wild. And Binance, the platform behind this article, they're also doing some stuff with AI art, right?
They have this tool called Jixel
Okay.
that lets anyone create and mint AI-generated art directly on the blockchain.
So you don't have to be like a professional artist
No, not at all.
to make this stuff.
No, you don't need to be a professional artist to create stunning one-of-a-kind pieces.
I love that idea of
Yeah.
AI making all this complex technology accessible to normal people.
Absolutely.
Speaking of accessibility, the article also mentioned that AI agents could help simplify blockchain interactions in general.
Uh-huh.
I mean, let's be honest, blockchain can be pretty intimidating for new people.
It could be there's a lot to learn.
Right, wallets to manage transactions to approve,
Yeah, gas fees.
gas fees, smart contracts, like what is all this stuff?
There's a lot.
So can AI agents help with that?
They can streamline a lot of those processes,
Okay.
making the whole experience much smoother and less intimidating.
So it's like a guide,
It is.
helping people walk through it
Exactly.
without needing like a computer science degree. Okay, so give me an example.
Okay, so let's say you're new to crypto
Okay.
and you want to send some Bitcoin to a friend.
Mm-hmm.
An AI agent could handle the whole process for you,
Okay.
from ensuring you're sending to the correct address to calculating the optimal gas fee for a speedy transaction.
Wow, so it just does it all in the background.
It does. It all happens seamlessly in the background without you having to worry about the technical details.
That's huge. No more
Yeah.
fear of sending your Bitcoin to like the void or the wrong person.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
What about DAOs? Decentralized autonomous organizations.
Right.
I've heard so much about them, but they still kind of seem like a mystery to me.
Right.
Can AI agents help with that?
They can. DAOs are basically organizations that are run by code,
Okay.
where decisions are made collectively by token holders.
Uh-huh.
AI agents can play a crucial role in making DAOs more efficient and accessible.
Can you give me like a concrete example of how that might work?
Yeah, so imagine a DAO
Okay.
that's dedicated to funding open source software projects.
Okay.
An AI agent could analyze proposals that are submitted to the DAO,
Okay.
evaluate their potential impact, and even make recommendations to the community on which projects deserve funding.
So it's doing all the research and analysis?
They're doing a lot of legwork, yeah.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, and that frees up human members to focus on high-level strategy and community building.
Okay, so it's taking care of like the busy work
Exactly.
so that the humans can focus on the big picture stuff.
Exactly.
That's a fantastic example.
Yeah.
That makes DAOs seem much less like this abstract thing and more like something I could actually participate in.
Exactly.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
But let's shift gears a little bit.
Okay.
I have to admit, I'm a little bit wary of giving so much power to AI.
Right.
Are there any risks we need to be thinking about here?
You bring up a really important point.
Oh.
Any powerful technology has the potential for misuse,
Right.
and AI is no exception.
Uh-huh.
We need to be mindful of the ethical implications and potential risks as we integrate AI into crypto.
So what are some specific risks that we should be thinking about?
Well, one concern is the potential for bias.
Yeah.
So one concern is the potential for bias. AI algorithms are trained on data, and if that data reflects existing biases in the real world, those biases can be amplified by the AI systems.
Right. It's like garbage in, garbage out.
Exactly.
So we need to make sure that the data sets used to train these AI agents are diverse,
Yeah.
representative, and free from harmful biases. Otherwise, we're just going to perpetuate the problems that we already have. What
Exactly.
else? What other risks are there?
Well, another risk to consider is the potential for these AI agents to be manipulated or hacked.
Okay.
As AI agents become more sophisticated and autonomous, they could become attractive targets for malicious actors.
So even if the blockchain itself is secure,
Right.
someone could hack into the AI agent that's operating on the blockchain
Potentially. Yeah.
and use it for their own gain?
That's the concern.
That's a scary thought.
Yeah, we need to develop really robust security measures
Okay.
to protect AI agents from those kinds of attacks.
And make sure they're operating the way they're supposed to.
Exactly. It's like with any new technology.
Right.
We need to think about both the opportunities and the potential risks
For sure.
so that we can create a responsible and beneficial framework for using it.
Absolutely. It sounds like we're still in the early stages of figuring all of this out.
Yeah, we are.
But the potential benefits are huge.
They're enormous.
Yeah. So, despite all these challenges, it sounds like we're headed towards a really exciting future.
Oh, definitely.
What are some of the possibilities that you're most excited about?
Well, one concept that I find really intriguing is the idea of decentralized AI economies.
Okay, tell me more.
Imagine a network of specialized AI agents,
Uh,
each with its own unique skills and capabilities,
okay.
interacting and collaborating with each other to create a self-sustaining ecosystem.
So it's like a decentralized workforce of AI agents,
Yeah.
each contributing to the overall economy.
Right.
Wow.
It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but it's actually closer than we might think.
Really?
Yeah, we're already seeing early examples of this
Okay.
with projects that are using AI agents to automate things like market making or arbitrage trading or even content creation.
So as these AI agents get smarter,
Yeah,
they could potentially take on even more complex roles.
absolutely.
And maybe even help us solve some of the world's biggest problems.
Yes, exactly. Imagine AI agents working together to optimize supply chains or manage energy grids or even accelerate scientific discovery.
Yeah, the possibilities are truly endless.
They are.
This has been an incredible deep dive.
It has.
We've covered so much ground from the basic definition of AI agents
Yeah,
to their potential to completely reshape the future of crypto and beyond.
absolutely. It's been a fascinating conversation.
I know. I always love talking about this stuff.
Me too.
But before we wrap up, let's bring it back to our listener.
Okay.
What are some key takeaways that you want them to walk away with?
Well, I think the most important takeaway is that AI agents are going to have a profound impact on the crypto world.
Uh-huh.
They can make crypto more efficient, accessible, and innovative.
Okay.
But it's crucial that we approach this technology thoughtfully and carefully,
Right.
considering both the exciting possibilities and the potential risks.
For sure. So we need to be informed and engaged participants in this technological revolution
Absolutely.
and help shape it in a way that benefits everyone.
Exactly. And that starts with asking questions, exploring different perspectives, and just staying curious.
Couldn't have said it better myself. So to our listeners out there, keep diving deep into this world of AI and crypto.
Yeah.
Explore the projects that are pushing the boundaries.
Yeah.
Experiment with AI-powered tools.
Uh-huh.
And most importantly, keep asking questions.
Keep learning.
Because the future of crypto is being shaped right now, and your participation matters.
It really does.
Well said. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of AI agents and crypto.
My pleasure.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep diving deep.